Hello friends, today we will see how to prepare avial. It's a South Indian dish. Actually it is served along with rice and sambar. So for that here I have taken brinjal, beans, carrot, potato and raw banana. At least you should have 5 vegetables. Along with this you can add more vegetables like other vegetables if you have. So first we will wash these vegetables and we will cut it into lengthwise and then we will continue. So for the avial we also have to add chana dal. So here I have taken chana dal. We will wash this and soak this till we cut the vegetables. So now we have cleaned the vegetables. We will start cutting them. So now we will pressure cook these vegetables along with the dal for 2 whistles. So now the vegetables are cooked well now. So we will start grinding the masala. So we will see what all the items needed for grinding the masala. So for the masala we need coconut, jeera or cumin seeds, garlic. This is optional because we are adding raw banana and potatoes. We are adding just 2 pieces of garlic, but if you don't want you can just skip adding garlic. Then we have onion and green chilies according to your spiciness. So we will grind all these to a smooth paste and then we will continue. So our masala paste is ready now. So now we will start doing the tempering now. So for tempering, in a pan we will add little bit of oil. Then we will add mustard seeds. We will add hing. And we will add urad dal. And we will add little bit of curry leaves. I am using dried one. You can use the fresh ones if it is available. If not, you can use the dried ones. And we will wait for the mustard to splutter as well as the urad dal. The color changes to light brown in color. So now we will add the cooked vegetables. I have strained the water. Don't add too much water also when you are grinding the masalas. Just add little water. If necessary we can add later because we are also going to add curd at the last. So otherwise the dish will become very watery. So now we will mix this. And we will add the grinded masala paste to it. them well. Some people will add a little bit of turmeric powder that gives little light yellowish in color, but some people they just keep adding turmeric powder because the proper avial has to be in the color of the coconut, so it is optional. If you want, you can add turmeric powder, otherwise you can just skip it. So now I will add little water to the mixer jar, and then I will add that also to the vegetable mixture. Keep it in a medium flame and let it come together. Just we'll wait for one boil. At this stage you will add salt. Again, salt according to your taste you can add. Don't over mix the vegetables, otherwise the vegetables will break. So please be gentle when you are mixing the vegetables. And if you don't want the vegetables to be mushy, you can also even cook the vegetables in an open pan. If you are in a hurry, you can use a pressure cooker. And this avial goes well along with rice, sambar, rasam, or even you can have this avial for chapati as a side dish. And this dish is served in marriages also as one of the side dish for the lunch. And people prepare in slightly different variations in Tamil Nadu as well as in Kerala. So now we will switch off the gas, and here I have a little bit of curd here, so I'm just going to add a little bit of it to it, and then I'll give a mix. So while you add the curd again, it will become little watery. That's why we are not adding too much of water while grinding the masalas as well as while mixing these vegetables. So don't add too much. It has to be slightly thicker in consistency. So now we will cover this and leave it for 5 minutes, and then it is ready to be served. So if you want more richer taste, the oil that you have used for tempering, you can use coconut oil, or at the last some people add 1 or 2 teaspoons of coconut oil. Again, it is optional. If you are okay with the coconut smell, then you can use coconut oil, otherwise you can just use your regular refined oil, that will be good. So the avial is ready now. So if you like this video, please like and subscribe to my channel for more new recipes. Thank you.